In this video, you will learn how to use AnalysisIQ. You will see how to read a trade idea and how to understand each part of it. Start by opening the AnalysisIQ tab, and then you will see a list of ideas for different assets, each idea showing a clear direction and a time at which it was published. You can click on any idea to open it, and once you do, you will find the full details behind the tile. The tile itself will also tell you the direction of the trade setup, the entry, the target, the stop, the confidence score, and the time until expiry. Once you've clicked on the tile, you will see the full details of the trading setup. You will see, of course, the asset, the entry level. This is what the analyst has determined as being the optimal entry point for the day on this particular asset. So we want to be as close to that level when entering the market as possible. We then have our target. That is determined to be the potential upside or downside that we expect this asset to get to on an intraday basis in order to try and maximize our rewards for the trade that we've taken. We then have the stop loss, which is of course of the utmost importance. We want to make sure that we have a very clearly defined exit level for this trade if it doesn't go according to our plan. We then have the duration of the trade. This is an intraday setup. They will vary between intraday and short term. We also have a confidence score. This is made up of a variety of proprietary metrics that give you as the trader a better understanding of the confidence we have behind these trading setups. Then we have the news sentiment. This is again a proprietary indicator which is reading millions of articles on a daily basis to summarize whether the news towards this particular asset is overwhelmingly bullish or bearish. It can be a very good indicator to help validate your own trade setups. Then we have the trading rationale, the detailed explanation as to what it is our analysts are seeing on the charts, both from a chart perspective and from a data perspective, and then writing this down for you to understand why it is they've come up with this trading setup today. Each trade that we publish comes with timestamps, so we will display when the trade was published. We'll also tell you when the trade expires. Do keep an eye on this because we don't want to be entering the market too late. Other information that we'll be able to see on the screen here, we have resistance and support levels. Again, these can be used to help validate your own trading setups. And of course, we have a chart, an interactive chart, which will show you and help you visualize the risk reward of each of the trading setups that we post, helping you understand the underlying trends and any patterns that might be emerging from a technical perspective. We also show high levels of transparency with our trade ideas, so you will be able to see the performance of the trades of these particular assets. You can see here on the screen the last 10 trades that we've posted on Aussie, Japanese yen. You can click on any of the dots to see when the trade was published, what the entries, the targets and the stops were, and also what the outcome was. Now this is based on a hypothetical $1,000 balance. If you were to risk 1% on each of the trades that we published on the last 10 trades, you would see that your account balance would have risen in this time frame. You can also look at our historic results on a monthly breakdown, clicking on any of the bars that you see here to see the amount of trades that were published over the course of a month, the win rate, the profit factor, and the outcomes of all of these trades. So simply to use AnalysisIQ, you need to follow 3 simple steps. You need to open the trade idea, you need to read the levels and the reasoning, you need to check the chart, and this will give you a clearer view before you take any action. AnalysisIQ gives you clear ideas, clear levels, and clear reasoning. Use it to prepare and to understand the markets before you act.